Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what to do if the portable North Pole app is not working on your PC. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is working. Portable North Pole needs a stable internet connection to load videos and interactive features. Try opening another website to click it if your internet is working properly. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes all data can cause problem in Chrome or Edge. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus delete select cookies and cache image and click clear this. Then reload the portable North Pole website. If it's still not working, make sure your browser is up to date. Old version may not support all the features of portable North Pole. Click for updates in your browser settings and restart it. Also check if JavaScript is enabled in your browser. Portable North Pole uses JavaScript to play videos and interactive features. Without it, the site may not work properly. If you are still having problems, try disabling browser extensions. Some ad blockers or security extensions can block features on the site. Finally, if nothing works, visit the portable North Pole help or support page. You can contact their team to report the problem and get help directly. And that's it. By checking your internet browser and settings, you can usually fix problems when the portable North Pole app is not working on your PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.